Assalamu alaikum sisters. Together with the Muslim Council of Hong Kong, we are running a 6-week exercise workshop for you all. Living in this busy environment in Hong Kong, we should strive for a balance to maintain a healthy life so you can better look after yourself as well as your family. In these 6 weeks, you will learn basic movements to build your muscle strength, to increase your flexibility, to learn how to stretch and release tension to specific muscle groups, and more importantly, you will learn how to improve your posture. This workshop uses the techniques of Ballet and Pilates. It is low impact and is safe for everyone even though you have no experience at all. If you still haven't registered yet, we really encourage you to do it soon, and I look forward to see you all at the workshop.